Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Fan Machinery. Dangerous big tree felling with a chainsaw. Essential skills. Felling a big tree with a chainsaw is a high-risk task that demands precision, expertise, and strict adherence to safety protocols. Without the proper skills and preparation, the operation can lead to severe injuries, property damage, or environmental harm. Below are the critical skills required to safely and effectively execute this dangerous task. Proficiency with a chainsaw is fundamental. This includes knowing how to start, handle, and maintain the tool. The operator must understand the mechanics of the chainsaw, such as chain tensioning, sharpening, and lubrication, to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. Understanding the tree's structure is crucial. Skilled loggers identify load-bearing limbs, weak points, and potential hazards such as cracks or rot. Recognizing these factors helps predict how and where the tree will fall, minimizing risks. Felling a tree in the desired direction is an advanced skill. This involves making precise cuts, the notch cut, felling cut, and hinge wood, while maintaining control over the tree's descent. Proper execution of these techniques is essential for avoiding unintended damage and ensuring safety. A comprehensive evaluation of the surroundings is vital before beginning any felling operation. This includes identifying obstacles, estimating the tree's height, and accounting for wind direction. Effective planning ensures the safety of the operator, bystanders, and nearby structures. Wearing the appropriate PPE is non-negotiable. Essential gear includes a hard hat, safety goggles, ear protection, gloves, steel-toed boots, and chainsaw chaps. These items reduce the likelihood of injuries in case of accidents. Skilled tree fellers are trained to handle emergencies. This includes having first aid knowledge, knowing escape routes, and understanding how to respond if the tree behaves unpredictably. For larger trees or complex scenarios, coordination with a team is often necessary. Clear communication ensures everyone is aware of their roles and the felling process. Big tree felling is an inherently dangerous job that should only be undertaken by individuals with the proper training and experience. Mastery of chainsaw operation, tree anatomy, directional felling, risk assessment, and emergency preparedness is vital to ensure the operation's success and safety. After the trees are felled, the journey of timber begins with careful transportation to the factory. This process is essential to ensure the wood remains intact and ready for processing into various products. The logs and trunks, often large and heavy, require specialized vehicles designed to handle such loads efficiently and safely. popular choice for timber transport is the Volvo truck paired with a semi-trailer. Known for their durability and power, Volvo trucks are well suited for navigating rugged terrains, forest roads, and highways. The semi-trailer, equipped with features like reinforced frames and adjustable loaders, ensures the logs are securely held in place during transit, minimizing the risk of damage or loss. The transportation process involves skilled operators who load the timber onto the trailers, taking care to balance the weight for stability. Once secured, the trucks embark on their route to the factory, often covering long distances. Advanced GPS systems in Volvo trucks aid in planning efficient routes, reducing fuel consumption and delivery times. By the time the timber reaches the factory, it is ready for further processing, thanks to the precision and reliability of the transportation system. The Volvo semi-trailer combination exemplifies the innovation and expertise driving the timber industry. The journey of wood from raw material to a finished product begins with efficient production processes. At the heart of this transformation is the modern Sawmill line, a marvel of engineering designed for precision and productivity. One such cutting-edge facility is the Titan Sawmill line by Wood Miser. Renowned for its innovation, this system exemplifies how technology meets craftsmanship. A key feature is the TV6000 twin-band vertical saw, which delivers unparalleled accuracy in cutting. The twin-band design ensures high-speed processing with minimal waste, a critical factor in sustainable production. Once the raw timber is cut, the slab removal system comes into play. This component effectively separates slabs and waste wood, streamlining the workflow while ensuring the usable material is preserved for further processing. The removed slabs are often repurposed for other products, reflecting the industry's commitment to reducing waste. Next, the processed wood moves to the sorting table, an essential stage for ensuring quality. Here, pieces are meticulously graded and sorted based on dimensions, quality, and intended use. This step is crucial for meeting the diverse requirements of industries ranging from construction to furniture making. Modern sawmills, like the Titan line, showcase the power of automation and precision. They optimize every step, from initial cutting to final sorting, ensuring that wood is processed efficiently and sustainably. Such advancements not only boost productivity but also uphold environmental stewardship, proving that innovation and responsibility can go hand in hand. With systems like the Titan Sawmill line, the production of wood is no longer just a process, it's an art form that balances technology, sustainability, and quality.